Hey, Clean Team! Today we're revealing the best steam mop for 2024. Whether you're a cleaning pro or just want efficiency, we've got you covered. Stay tuned for the latest in innovation and top picks. Hit subscribe, like, and let's find that perfect steam mop together. The Shark Genius Steam Pocket Mop System takes the crown as my top pick for the best steam mop in 2024. Boasting an efficient design, it weighs a mere 5.5 pounds and features an ergonomic handle, providing users with a comfortable and easy-to-use cleaning experience. Its 22 feet power cord enhances maneuverability, and the swiveling head makes navigating corners a breeze. Equipped with a substantial 11.8-ounce water tank capacity, accompanied by a fill flask for convenient refills, this steam mop is well-suited for various household tasks. Incorporating touch-free technology for intuitive control, it includes two double-sided dirt grip pads crafted from highly absorbent material to effectively trap and remove dirt. With 3 steam settings, catering to different surfaces and levels of dirtiness, coupled with a built-in channeling system for even steam distribution, this mop ensures consistent and thorough cleaning. The addition of Steam Blaster technology enhances cleaning power, tackling stubborn stains effortlessly. Overall, the Shark Genius Steam Pocket Mop System stands out for its user-friendly design, powerful cleaning technology, and reliable performance across various floor types. For those seeking an effective, easy-to-use, and comfortable steam mop that consistently delivers exceptional results, the Shark Genius is the go-to choice in 2024. The Pur Steam Mop Cleaner 10-in-1 emerges as a versatile and effective solution for a myriad of cleaning needs. Weighing in at only 8 pounds, its compact and lightweight design allows for easy maneuverability around your home. The ergonomic handle minimizes the risk of fatigue during extended cleaning sessions, while the swivel steering mechanism ensures access to tight corners. With a quick 30-second heat-up time and a generous 15.9 feet power cord, this steam mop is ready to tackle dirt and grime efficiently. The 12.8-ounce water reservoir caters to various household requirements, making it adept at cleaning hard floors and delicate fabrics alike. What sets it apart is its 3 adjustable modes, allowing users to optimize cleaning power based on specific needs. Whether used as a traditional upright steam cleaner or as a handheld device for hard-to-reach areas, its versatility shines through. The package includes a range of cleaning accessories, such as 3 nylon brush attachments, different nozzle attachments, and 3 steam mop cleaning pads. The Pur Steam Mop Cleaner 10-in-1 is a powerful and adaptable cleaning solution, perfect for those seeking a reliable tool for a variety of tasks around the house. For an all-encompassing cleaning experience that blends ease of use, versatility, ergonomics, and top-notch performance, the BLACK+DECKER 7-in-1 Steam Mop stands out as my third pick for the best overall steam mop in 2024. Its 7-in-1 design tackles a wide array of tasks, offering quick heat-up times, a substantial 19.2-ounce water tank, and adjustable steam power. Weighing in at a manageable 10 pounds, its lightweight and compact design ensures comfort during extended use. The swivel head allows for easy maneuverability in tight spaces. This steam mop boasts a range of functionalities, doubling as a traditional floor cleaner, handheld steam cleaner, garment steamer, and glass cleaner. Equipped with accessories like a detail brush, adjustable steam nozzle, metal grate cleaner, fabric brush, and an intuitive steam glove attachment, it provides comprehensive cleaning solutions. Variable steam control and continuous flow enhance its efficiency in sanitizing various surfaces. Despite its higher price tag, the BLACK+DECKER 7-in-1 Steam Mop is an excellent investment for those seeking a high-end, feature-rich steam mop, delivering consistent top-tier cleaning power. If you're willing to invest and desire a versatile tool with an abundance of accessories, this steam mop is the ultimate choice in 2024. For those on a budget seeking a reliable and efficient cleaning solution, the Bissell PowerFresh Steam Mop is my last choice as the best value steam mop in 2024. This affordable alternative to premium models offers a built-in scrubber brush, a notably long 23-foot power cord, and 3 steam settings to handle various cleaning tasks. With its compact and low-profile design, weighing just around 6 pounds, it's equipped with a swivel steering mechanism for easy navigation around obstacles. The 16-ounce water tank extends cleaning time, and the Smart Set steam control feature allows you to customize cleaning power. The flip-down Easy Scrubber is a handy addition for tackling tough messes, complemented by a 12-inch mop head for efficient cleaning. While it lacks additional accessories, the Bissell PowerFresh Steam Mop focuses on delivering a solid clean on common household surfaces at a reasonable price, making it an excellent choice for those who want the quality without breaking the bank. There you have it, the best steam mops for 2024. Whether you're a cleaning pro or just want a sparkling home, we hope this guide was helpful. Share your favorite pick in the comments, hit like if you enjoyed it, and subscribe for more home care tips. Until next time, happy cleaning.